Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking banana cupcakes. Ingredients for the banana cupcakes are 1 tablespoon of grated nutmeg, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 2 room temperature eggs, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter tablespoon of salt, half cup of white granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons, and also 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then 4 milk. If your bananas are not over-ripened, you can keep it in your oven for about 5 minutes, and when you pick it out, it will be just perfect for baking. Now pick up a potato mash. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. And then mash the bananas that have been peeled in the bowl. Mash it until only little pieces of the banana are seen in the mixture. Into a mixing bowl, combine the sugar, the butter, and the oil for a few minutes until it is light and fluffy. Add in the eggs and then mix gradually until it combines with the rest of the ingredients. Now, place a sieve on top of the bowl and then mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. And by this, pour the flour into the sieve, add onto it the cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. Sift that onto the mixture and then combine it with the aid of a spatula. Add in the mashed bananas and then mix as well. Don't forget to introduce into the mixture the vanilla essence. And just like that, the banana cupcake batter is ready. Line the cupcake baking tin with the cupcake sheets and then with the aid of the ice cream scooper, scoop the cupcake batter into the holes containing the sheets and then bake at 160 degrees for 30 minutes. Since there's banana in the mixture, it's going to look a bit brownish after it is baked, and that is popular or well known for banana cupcakes and banana cakes form. After it bakes, let it sit in the baking tin for 5 minutes. Then remove it onto a tray or a chopping board. This is our finished product, and look at how nice it looks. To enjoy this, peel it off the sheets and then break it into 2 or enjoy as you prefer. I broke it into 2 purposely to give you an inside view of how it looks. This cupcake is very delicious, soft, and since it has a brownish color or appearance, it has a bit of crunch to it. It's very delicious, I tell you. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.